The longer the consolidation, the higher the price. Remember that. Habang nagkakagulo sa Canada at US, di pwesto-pwesto na mga boys. Coach, bakit dun sa RTK Gold lang or lahat ng players pwede equity? Sabi ko kay USD CAD, opportunity to buy. So since nasa major support na ngayon, ayun, no? Habang nagkakagulo sa Canada at US, may mga narrative in all of that sila. Tapos super uptrend to, di pwesto-pwesto na mga boys. Principle that you can learn from me, the longer the consolidation, the higher the price. Look at the consolidation, started 2022 pa. Tapos nag-breakout siya. Na-stall lang yan because may resistance level dito. Probably, I'm thinking dollar will continue to go up against Canadian dollar. On a technical perspective, I'm not sure with ng narratives ng fundamentals. On that particular scenario, I would really buy if there's an opportunity on the support level. The longer the consolidation, the higher the price. Remember that. So, coach, bakit dun sa RTK Gold lang or lahat ng pairs pwede i-trade? Pwede kang mag-shadow, pwede kang mag-gold, pwede kang mag-indices, pwede kang mag-Bitcoin, it's up to you. Ang goal sa RTK, you create your own strategy on the proper mindset. Yung community is giving you the strategies naman. You have the gold indicator, you have shadow clone, you can formulate your own shadow strategy or use your personal strategy or yung mga tinuturo ko strategy sa masterclass. As long as you control the narrative ng performance versus drawdown, equity versus growth para mag-grow ka as a trader. When you achieve a Kage status, the goal of the Kage status, you have full confidence na okay, profitable trader na talaga ako.